In this video, I'll detail how to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. So, if each time your iPhone screen is locked, like this, and you have a text message, your text message comes up and show on your iPhone lock screen, then this video is going to show you how you can easily hide this text message to make it hidden until you choose to open the text message or unlock your iPhone. So if you're not on this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, locate the message app here and click on it. So if you are using iOS 18, you need to scroll down and click on apps and then locate the message application under the app section. Now once you click on that, this is what you're going to see. On the message page, come here and click on notifications. Then once you select the notification, scroll down. Come here and click on show preview. And if you set your show previews to always, this is going to always show your message and iMessage preview on your iPhone. Now to hide the message preview or iMessage preview on your iPhone whenever the screen is locked, make sure you select never. And once you selected never, just hit the back button. Now, whenever you have message next, your message will notify you and you'll not be able to see the message on the lock screen. So this is how to basically hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. Found this offer informative? Please don't forget to like and subscribe.